Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of UltData. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we'll search about the application of UltData and we click. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. In this page we click on clear cache. In the end you will go to Play Store. You will search about UltData. If you find update here, then we'll update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.